Soviet Union, right?
Yes. So, what do you know about Turkmenistan?
Well, I don't know much about Turkmenistan in particular, but I know about Uzbekistan and many of the other states.
So you just heard about it, and that's it?
No, I have friends actually that Facebook friends now that I've met here in this country, and they've either gone back there or they've moved to other places in this country.
From Turkmenistan specifically, or?
No, more Kazakhstan. Many of the former Soviet.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My question is, have you ever heard about Turkmenistan?
Oh my god. Yes, but I don't know anything about
You
it.
don't know anything about it.
But I'm also really bad at geography. Like if you ask my younger sister, she would know.
No, so you're good in geography, or?
I'm really bad.
So how you heard about it then? You don't know anything about it? Or you just saw on the map?
No, I'm just like I've just heard about it. I've just heard about it.
Just heard about it.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Is that all? Oh my god, it's so sad.
No,
I'm
that's the
sorry,
purpose
guys.
of it.
I know. That's why I was like, fuck.
Not too much people know about our country, and then we try to, and our people curious about like Dubai. So do people know about our country? That's why.
Yeah.
And mostly like in New York, they don't know. Like, in the United States, they don't know. So.
Yeah, I mean, like,
It's
we're
normal.
also in a country where, like, people are so obsessed. Americans don't know about anything.
Yeah, but at least you know. But usually when I say Turkmenistan, like, what is it?
I think of, like, Kazakhstan, I think of, like...
Yeah, it's all Central Asia.
So, like, I know because I'm Asian, so...
Oh, very good.
Nepal.
Oh.
And, like, I've seen pictures of people from, like, that area, and I'm like, wow, look at this, like, picture.
Yeah.
That's why it's kind of like it.
Actually, that's why you know. Okay, nice. Where are you from, guys?
New York State.
New York City. Okay, nice. So, have you ever heard about Turkmenistan?
Yes, we've been there.
We've been there.
All three of us.
Yeah, we got you.
Yes. We've been to Ashgabat.
Ashgabat, yeah.
We went to the Darvaza crater, the fire Turkmenbashi.
Yeah, but you didn't expect to go, huh?
Surprise!
Are we the first ones today?
Yes, we just
What do we get, $1 million?
probably, yes.
What's the currency? Turkmen?
Nanas.
You know, look, this Union Square needs every night at 8 p.m. to open up the Turkmenistan, the book. Oh yeah, right around.
Because usually Americans don't know about it.
No.
Well, you're speaking to very unique Americans.
Anyway, please continue.
Yeah, so since you've been there, guys, so can you tell more about the country and like what it was?
Sure. Well, I think the number one thing about Turkmenistan that shocked us was how extremely friendly Turkmen people are. That we, as Americans, there aren't many tourists there. So anytime a local saw us, they would stop us. We were driving a car, they'd stop, they'd honk, they'd wave, they'd be so excited and enthusiastic. And they were just very wonderful and positive and nice to talk to.
Yeah, our people love this.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that was it. I think everyone was so nice to us. It was like, I mean, we actually traveled all over Central Asia, and people in Turkmenistan were so nice to us.
We had a really funny looking car. It was very clear that we were foreigners, and it was the only country we drove through. I think we drove through 18 or 19 countries on that trip. But in Turkmenistan, cars would speed up and drive next to us just to wave, and everyone was just so welcoming. There was one night where I think it was in Ashgabat, all the restaurants were closed. It was after some time, and somebody helped us give us some food. It was really nice, and yeah, everyone was just very interested in getting to know us.
And local food is like
Right? Yeah. Fresh tomatoes and onions and stuff,
a lot of meat.
and vodka.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, that was in Dashgud.
That's so good.
That's so good. That's where I'm from.
Nice. Nice. Great.
Yeah, that's so good. Yeah, we crossed into
Yeah. And after you cross the Uzbekistan.
Yeah. And can I ask, what are you guys doing here? And are you doing this on behalf of Turkmenistan, or?
No, I'm just doing it for my YouTube channel.
Okay.
cool. Because our people are curious, you know, like with other, like other countries, like,
Yeah.
know about our country.
Yeah.
And then usually when I say I'm from Turkmenistan, no one knows. You know, like, what is that? I'm like, that's country. So that's why I'm like this video.
Cool.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Have you ever heard about Turkmenistan? You never heard about it? I don't know what it is. Okay.
So about Turkey.
It's it's actually a country in Central Asia. It's not that big. That's it. Thank you very much. Sterling, by silver. I have a question. Have you ever heard about Turkmenistan?
Yeah,
You heard about it?
yeah, of course. Yeah,
So what do you-
it's an Asian country, yeah?
Asian country.
Yeah, of course.
Central Asia.
Central Asia, yeah. Because I went to Japan myself.
Really?
Yeah, I was passing Narita Airport to Philippines. I was going to Philippines, Manila. I stayed in Manila for like a couple of weeks. I bought again the plane from Manila to Narita Airport. Narita Airport to New York City. I love it. Asia has a good work ethic. They work hard. They work from dusk to dawn. I love them. You know. Actually, I had one of my friends, very friend, in Asia. You know, she wrote me a letter in Japan.
Japan? Well, you from here, right?
I was born in the United States of America. I was born in Harvard Hospital. I went to NYU, New York University. You know, I studied chemistry. You know, and I work in chemistry right now on natural balance. Like everything has a natural balance. And that's one of my great presidents, President George Washington, you know, and President Abraham Lincoln talk about natural balance, you know, the ecology of life, natural symbiosis, you know, we help the environment help us, you know, like, you know, parents and children, you know, parents and family, you know, there's a balance, there's a natural balance.
It's about like not using plastic.
Biases on symbiosis. There's natural balance. You know. So, yeah, I'm working on natural balance too.
What do you know about Turkmenistan?
It's a beautiful country, you know, and Central Asia, you know, and I thought, yeah, I heard good things about it, you know. Basically, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.